When you're taking on a home improvement, a showroom can be a really great way to get hands-on with the products that you're going to put in your home. When it comes to windows, doors, and anything glass related, Best Value Glass is the place to go, and they just finished their brand new showroom. So I'm here with Steve Welsh, the owner, where we're looking at all the windows and doors available right now, including this beautiful, massive, like wide open door that we can have.
Yeah, we have everything that you can want in vinyl, aluminum, fiberglass, and wood. We have this multi-slide door. We also have La Cantina doors that will open up your home. So we have a lot of custom options, colors, energy efficient options, screen options.
And those go from everything from your regular size window all the way to those multi-slide doors.
Yes. Yes,
and we have different brands that we can choose from as well.
We have a lot of different brands, and you can choose what's right for your home.
So you want to come around the showroom, check out the different colors, styles, see how they operate, because these are fully installed windows.
And it makes such a difference when you come out and look around and operate the windows. We have, in this room there's a lot, but we also have around around the business, we have windows that work. And
the staff is ready to help you figure out what colors, styles, and meet those energy efficiency codes that you need.
Yes.
Best Value Glass also has everything you need for custom glass work, whether it's in your shower or a glass door throughout your house. Tell me about this half of the showroom.
So this is mostly our shower door part of the showroom, but we also have a lot of different things in here. A lot of options on glass choices and different options for your shower, also different hardware colors we can do. So we can do a certain handle in the color you want, and we can show you pretty much anything you want in a shower door in this room.
Yeah, and so there's some on display here, but that's just really a small offering of what's possible, because everything when it comes to showers is completely customizable.
We can customize just about anything. We make sure it's safe, and then we can do pretty much whatever you want.
Yeah, you'll see examples from regular traditional slider doors to those beautiful barn style doors, and then all the different hardwares to match. And how does Best Value Glass help everyone just decide what's right for them? It's a consultation process.
It's a consultation process. So somebody can come in and either give us a picture or a little drawing or an idea what they want. I want, a lot of glass. I want, a steam shower, whatever it is you want, and then we can show you what it'll look like.
And they'll work with you. So you want to head down to the Best Value Glass showroom today. They're in Lakeside, open Monday through Friday. Call them to make an appointment or just head on down.